This is the elevator, the Richard White Lecture Hall Classroom Building, something like that, in Duke University East Campus in Durham, North Carolina. It's opened right outside on the ground floor. This has GAL fixtures from 2001. It might be like one of those really weird KONEs. Quiet bell. Unlocked down there too, so I'm sure about the two. Here we go. There we go. Okay. Back on the ground. That's pretty loud. Here's your certificate installed in 2001 again. Has an ADA phone, an EPCO circle line phone button. Basic standard laminate blue cab. Again, this might be one of those weird KONE GALs from the early 2000s, but I'm not really sure. I'll have to look at the records. Beautiful creaky floor here, right at ground. Yeah, it does have a KONE sensor. Here, close this and that's going to be it.